Hello there, buddy. It's been a long time. I hope you're having an amazing day. And speaking of amazing, we are going to Parola Beach in Magallanes, Sorsogon, and a side trip in Santa Lourdes Grotto. So what are we waiting for? Come on, viyahe na tayo! We're on our way to the port in Bulan, Sorsogon, where my mother's siblings live in. It's a sunny day, kaya perfect for an island hopping. Wow, akala mo naman napakaraming islands sa pupuntahan, di ba? So here we are. This travel is being facilitated by my dearest auntie, Tita Shawi.
Ito sponsor namin today.
Yeah. Magkikita mo na naman nila sa magbubupunta ka.
Tingnan nyo, pinagbabantaan pa ako. Ganyan ako kamahal ng auntie ko eh. Anyway, sakay na tayo. Our first destination is in Namo. We'll just quickly pick up my cousin and her family. Ayan, here they are. While waiting, photoshoot muna tayo. Avail! O, diba? Pang Instagram. So, heto na. Biyahe na going to Grotto. This is the first time I'll be visiting this place and I heard great stories from my cousins and aunties. Relax muna tayo while enjoying the boat ride. And here we are! Welcome to Santa Lourdes Grotto here in Magallanes, Sorsogon.
Bakit kami ngayon?
This place is being visited by the devotees especially during Holy Week. If you visited Kawa Hill in Legao City, Albay, it has the same vibes. Though, one thing that I noticed here, and I don't really know if you consider this a miracle or something, despite of hundreds of steps to reach the peak, I didn't really feel exhausted. Alam mo yun? Yes, my legs are somewhat tired, but it feels like every step that I take, it makes me feel better. Again, that's just my personal experience. Imagine, kids can climb up even without a guide. And guess what? Even my Lola, she's my grandmother's sister, was even able to reach the top. How amazing! Maybe it's just my imagination, so I dare you to visit this place and let me know your experience. Now, let's give it a moment. It's time for me to pray. I know some of the viewers aren't Roman Catholic, so let's move forward and I'll let you enjoy the view. Oh, look at that! Now, time to go to the main course of this travel. Oh no, walang hagdan! You only have two options. Either you step onto that paddle and take the risk as it's too thin for your feet, or just jump. So you know what to do. Jump, jump, jump! Swerte naman ng mga chikiting oh. Makakaligo agad. When I was young, I had to wait for the adults to prepare everything before I'll be able to swim. Sometimes, it's taking them an hour, especially during lunchtime. Anyway, highway, as this is my first time to visit this island, I am so excited to explore the beauty of this place and what it can offer to its tourists. Just to set your expectation, it's not yet a well-refined sand compared to Boracay or Calaguas, but it's good enough. Hindi naman yan yung pinunta natin dito eh. I wasn't able to swim, but I heard from my cousins that you don't need to go far away just to see the coral reefs. Not to mention that the water is clear enough as seen on this video. If you have an aquarium, you'll get a lot of decorative shells here. Time to go to the lighthouse! Syempre, bit-bit ko mga pinsan ko pataas. Walang iwanan, diba? That's how a family works. But seriously, time to go up. I'll show you the best spot here. Ready, buddy? Ayan na! Look at that lighthouse! Grabe, ang ganda! In comparison to other places I visited in Bicol, I can say that this is one of the best bird's eye view that I experienced. Because it's an open area and I'm standing at the highest point of the island, I can totally feel the wind blowing through my skin. I feel like I'm flying. Tapos you're listening to your favorite song, diba? Sulit na sulit yung experience. I think 3 times ata akong umakyat dito today just to experience it again and again. Now, it's time for us to go. Okay lang yan, nasulat naman natin, diba? Ay, ang saya mag-travel, no? If you weigh in the cost versus benefits, wala ka talagang talo dito. When you travel, you do not just collect things as your remembrance or pasalubong. You collect memories and experience, and it will help you discover more about yourself and your self-worth. Because if you don't, you'll depend on other people to tell you who you are, and will live based on their expectation towards you. It happened to me once, and trust me, you don't want to be in that situation either. So discover yourself, know your worth, and have fun in every step of your journey. Again, have fun. And if they don't like you, who cares? If you're with the right people, they'll respect you and accept you for who you are. Kaya okay lang yan. Just like the lighthouse, spread some light by being yourself, and someday, a sailor will come to you. Again, this is your Tinderong Viajero. Kita-kits sa mga susunod pa nating travel. Bye for now!